Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about MITO intelligent eye massager. So this product is available on website like Hexo. You should buy this product or not. So in this video I'm going to provide you 5 major red flags why you should not use this product. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, the brand trust score is amazing, like 100 out of 100. It means the brand is providing you product and they are providing you good, you can say like support also, and they are providing you products. Okay, this is not a big issue. Okay, so if we talk about, like, you can see the brand is approx like 3 years from now. And if we talk about, you can say over here, reviews, they are available on Trustpilot. This is also a very positive thing about this brand. And some reviews, like 32% reviews are negative, and they are all selling like a little bit delay in their, you can say like, product delivery and refund related issues. You should read all the negative reviews on, you can say like, Trustpilot, because all our reviews are complaining cheap products, or you can say like quality of the product is not accurate as they shown in the pictures. Okay, but the main reason is, like, you can say, MITO intelligent eye massager. So this is the brand Hexo. So when you visit on internet, you will see intelligent eye massager is easily available on internet at very low cost, like $79 only. And you can see there are lots of websites who are selling same kind of product. So it means this is a dropshipping product, and that's why the quality of the product is very bad, or you can say like very cheap quality. Okay, so if we talk about you should go with this brand or not, yes, the brand is 100% legit, there is no issue. There is issue only like quality related issues. So if you really want to buy a good quality product, then you can go some official brands, or where you can return your product very easily. You can purchase the product on these kind of websites. Otherwise you can avoid, you can choose some official brands, or you can select genuine brands. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. And before placing any order on this website, you should read all the reviews on Trustpilot. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.